Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video, we will see what are for loops. Basically, for loops are more easily to use, and we can use for loops in list, tuples, and with many other places. Let's take an example. Make a list with elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we want to print all the elements. So for that, use for loops. Just write for I in A, then print I, so one by one it will return all the elements in list. Let's take a second example. We want to print 1 to 12 counting. Let's write code for that with for loops. For that we have to use simple range function. It will return us counting. Inside range pass your number, and then print your I. It will return from 0 to 11. Let's take one more example. Suppose you have a list with some names, and you want to print all names with single code. Yes, you can do it with the for loops. Let's make our list first, and put all the names. Harsh, Yash, Sachin, and Vishal, these are our elements. And to print all the elements, use for I in A and then print your all elements. So this was some examples of use of for loops. We will see more things in next videos. Please subscribe for more videos.